Hi guys, I'm Sourish Tech Savvy, and today we're gonna see the second tutorial of HTML tutorials, guys. No, not second, one. The first tutorial this is, and here we are gonna start the introductory video. Did you like the introductory video, guys? I don't know, is that an introductory video only, guys? That was really a lot, guys. So now let's start. So the thing that we opened last time was Notepad, and I said you already guys that I will open brackets in my other one, and open your co-editor. I'm gonna use brackets. So it's opening, guys. Yeah, and this is the thing that I made for PPT, so we're gonna just remove that there. The index HTML that we made for showing, guys. Also, brackets also has live preview, guys, so you can just see it without opening everything. Just click on here. In brackets, you should click on it. If you don't have brackets, you can't do anything else. And here you can see it. Within the last introductory video, I made this. So, and also I made it from PPT, which was the thing that we needed. And today we're gonna cut spaces, breaks, spaces, and comments. So let's start. The first thing we're gonna do is, guys, this is not included for you guys, but for me it is included. So I'm gonna just delete this here. So, but it is included for me. You know, need shortcut. I don't know how it will open, but it is not included for you. For you, it should like go here and make it. But I have brackets, so I'm gonna just go here and make it also, guys. You can also make it in here if you have brackets, guys. So I'm gonna just name it to index.2.html, and that is done. So also, guys, I'm again saying in the last video I said that because Mondar, my first viewer, said that when I will just try this to make it again back. So this was the smallest one, guys. So not smallest, that's not that much small. So this is the thing that he said, it is really small. He said, I thought, no, that's that the thing. So I'm making it big so you guys can see it correctly. And another thing I will say you now is that I'm using Emmet. What is the meaning of Emmet, you will think? So I'm gonna just put this thing in and click on tab. And here we have whole document and everything here. So you can see here title document. And yeah, guys, I will also make a video how to download Emmet. I made it already, but I'm making all my remake of my whole videos, and that's why I deleted the video. And I said you guys also we don't need this meta. This will be needed in the future, so we can just leave that there. And now let's start. So let's make a heading tag, and a paragraph tag again like we did first. Okay, so I think yeah, brackets also does this, and Emmet does this. Yeah. So I'm gonna just write here. This thing is that heading and oh no, not that. Okay, just write this like tab. So guys, like this is the Emmet one, guys, and I'm gonna also really save the file after writing this paragraph and save it. So again, live preview, let's do it. So yeah, guys, also if you don't have Google Chrome on your computer, you will think that you can't do it, but the thing, so yeah, if you don't have Google Chrome on your computer, you can't do it. So as you can see here, guys, in heading and paragraph, we have 1 or 2 line spaces, I think. So this is not that much. Some people think that this is really not that much if you want like a modern one, and you want some breaks to put a break there, like if you want if you want that thing to go down and make another one. So this comes with the BR tag. So although I said in the episode, guys, that some tags don't have ending tags. So this tag is made the same. Doesn't has an end, but it works. Yeah, don't miss the end tags in other ones if you just think that this, okay, wait, nothing has anything, but it just does this. Now I'm gonna just do br tab, br tab, br tab. Because I have Emmet, I can really do it really fast. And Emmet also understands that you in BR the break line doesn't has two ones, so it doesn't make two tags here. And now if you refresh or save the thing in brackets, no, the file in brackets, and it should show up here. So if you're on a Notepad, you should save and refresh the file, but this brackets has this feature which just saves them really easily. This feature in brackets is really awesome, guys. I like this feature. And let's just go here and oh whoa, that is not nice. I'm gonna just be like this only, guys. And my mobile here doesn't have charging also. This is my mic, so if it runs out of charge, I can't really go. Okay, guys, now we can start, guys. And sorry for that interruption. That interruption was really big. My phone is charging. It is not, I think. Yeah, it is. So I'm gonna just down just. So guys, let's start again. And I will break that thing, guys, and if you really think that it is not nice, and if I have baked it already, and okay guys, let's again start. So after putting this break tags, guys, you already saw that this is a lot breaks. There's a lot of breaks here. So here we have a line which is showing up HTML. The browser thinks there's a line here, guys, and it is making it like and yeah, guys, if you want, I don't know, guys, but I'll show you this. And guys, if you just say, I'll say text. So it's gonna just do the same thing, guys. It's just gonna do the same thing, text. Also, well, I don't know, guys, if you know this or not, but oh, it already refreshes it. Doesn't do anything. I'm not saying anything, guys. I've saved the file also, you can see here. Wait a minute, can you not put gaps in it, HTML? So HTML doesn't know that, so we need to put some tag for HTML to understand that it is a gap. There's a space that HTML doesn't understand if there's a space or not, so it should say to HTML this tag here. This is not a tag, but this you should understand. It is and tag. I say and tag, and A should not be N B and B S P. NBSP is the thing that you need to write, guys. Yeah, you need this. Copy, paste. How many you want also you can paste, guys. I'm gonna just paste this many. And now save the file. Should not save it. After saving you need to refresh, but for me it's brackets, so it saves it automatically. And that doesn't appear, but it makes a space for you. Yeah, it made a space. So yeah, guys, also this only not this and tag and other words are also there, like and tag and copy is makes a copyright one. I will show you that after, guys. In the later tutorials I'll show you how you can make that. And after spacing also comments. So comments, the comments is like editor's notes. If you really just came after 1000 years, 20 days, after 20 days you have written a lot of code, but after 20 days you came and saw the code and did not understand what is it only. So comments come in place. Now comments come in place, guys. So what does comment do? What does it do? People will think that first is that thing is that what does comment do first? So comments give you putting comments like I will show you guys. So if I just put a comment here by doing this, hi, that's a comment. It doesn't appear because if you also write nothing and show up as HTML, it thinks that it's a text. But here it shows that it is a comment. And if I save it, guys, it's gonna just show nothing in the browser. So this is for editors. So editors don't understand what HTML are doing. Like if they want also can do on code, and so they can understand that what is this? This is a comment. This is that. This is that. And really in anything, any programming language, I think. See, but that's only the thing that always happens. Java also has comments. CSS also has comments. Everything has comments. Comments is the thing that everyone wants, guys. So comments is really the thing that you need. But you could think that, and if I just remove this exclamation mark, you can see that it has become blue. And if I go and save it, I have saved it. You can see that it shows the text. So it shows the text because it's not a comment again anymore. So now it understands that it is a text now, and it has showed itself. That's the thing that happens if you did not, if you try to put a comment, and you should not really do anything, guys. If you like, so I'm gonna put this again in here. And if you really forgotten this one, everything is a comment now. So nothing is gonna work again. Nothing is gonna work, guys, now because everything is a comment. Nothing you can see, just the tags that you have made after below the comment, and you need to again make it. And if you remove the first tag, it's again back to the another form. It's again back to the form that it was first in. And yeah, did I save it? Oh, that's new. I saved it, but it doesn't show up. Oh, is that something that we need? Like, doesn't show up here, guys. To show here up. Just again do. Should show that thing because it doesn't know is that's not the comment that we need. We can put it, it just makes like this again back, so the comment is that. So let's gonna just leave that comment here. And hi, thanks for watching, guys. No, not only. So let's do some more things that we can do. So guys, I said that there's a lot of things that you can do with the end tag. So I'm gonna just remove these all breaks. Let's see what end tags can we do with them. Let's see what can we do with the end tags. These tags, no, this tag has a lot of things here. You can see it has a lot of things like this line is there, which only comes if you in some people's keyboard it doesn't really look correctly, but in the next video we will learn about divs and spans. See you next time. Like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family.